The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra has finally arrived, and yes, it is undoubtedly a successor to the Note series, which was previously retired. According to the various Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra reviews that have already been released to the public, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra easily challenges other flagships to be one of the best smartphones available. However, if you were considering upgrading to the Galaxy S22, there may be something holding you back from making the final decision on whether to purchase or pass on the device altogether. For example, the starting price of $1,199 is a major factor why several people may be hesitant to purchase this phone. The S22 Ultra is an expensive phone, but Samsung justifies the price by including so many high-end features in the device. In today's video, we'll go over some of the reasons why we believe you should purchase the S22 Ultra. If this is your first time here, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. With that said, let's get into the video properly. The first reason, and definitely a fan favorite, is the S Pen. The Galaxy S21 Ultra was the first phone outside of the Galaxy Note series to include support for Samsung's S Pen. It was a positive but unsatisfactory and incomplete first step. It never felt like the S Pen was an integral part of the S21 Ultra because it was an optional accessory that could be purchased along with the phone. When it comes to the Galaxy S22 Ultra, which includes a slot for the S Pen, this isn't a problem. As a result, you won't have to worry about finding a case for your stylus to keep it safe. Instead, you simply pop it out of the phone and begin taking notes directly on the Galaxy S22 Ultra screen. The S Pen that comes with the Galaxy S22 Ultra is also faster than it was previously, with a speed improvement of 70% and a reduction in latency. Include more accurate handwriting, to text conversion, and stylus-specific features that have been added to Microsoft Outlook. In particular, if you use your phone as a productivity tool, this is an excellent addition to the Galaxy S Ultra model. The next reason why you should definitely buy the S22 Ultra is the new and improved fast charging. Following the introduction of 45-watt charging in the Galaxy S20 Ultra in 2020, Samsung scaled back charging to 25 watts in the following year's model. The Galaxy S22 Ultra overturns the decision, allowing for 45-watt charging speeds to be restored to Samsung's premium smartphone once more. With that rate of charge, you should be able to restore a completely drained Galaxy S22 Ultra to 50% charge in just 20 minutes. In comparison, the S21 Ultra took 10 minutes longer to reach that point, and the iPhone 13 Pro Max charges at a rate twice as fast as the S21 Ultra at its maximum speed. You'll still need to buy your own charger, as Samsung does not include one with the Galaxy S22 Ultra as a standard feature. However, the increased ceiling on wired charging speeds is still a welcomed improvement. Another reason why you should buy the S21 Ultra is the phone's brighter display. The entire Galaxy S22 lineup boasts significant display upgrades, with the most notable being an attempt to create the brightest screens available on any smartphone. In the case of the Galaxy S22 Ultra, that translates to a screen with a peak brightness of 1750 nits and typical brightness of 1200 nits. According to Samsung, Samsung's new phone comes pretty close to matching those claims, with various testing revealing a maximum brightness of 1359 nits on the Galaxy S22 Ultra's display. The iPhone 13 Pro Max achieved a brightness of 1038 nits, which is significantly less than this. Because of all those nits, you'll never have a problem seeing what's on your Galaxy S22 Ultra screen, even in direct sunlight. Additionally, the S22 Ultra captured more of the sRGB color gamut, as well as the DCI P3 color space in our lab testing. And thanks to Samsung's Vision Booster feature, which adjusts the display and color balances based on the ambient lighting, you shouldn't have to dig around in the phone settings to get a clear view of the screen. Another reason to buy the S22 Ultra is the new 4nm processor. This new phone includes a new 4nm processor and also 4 years of software updates. Depending on where you live, this is either the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 or Samsung's in-house processor, the Exynos 2200. Both chips are extremely powerful and capable of multitasking, making them ideal for gamers and power users. The Adreno 730 GPU is used in a Snapdragon chip, while the new Eclipse 920 GPU, which is based on the RDNA2 architecture, is used in the Exynos chip, created in collaboration with AMD. The graphics architecture is identical to that of the PlayStation 5. Samsung introduced its latest Exynos 220 processor last month. The new chip is said to be a powerhouse of gaming, with a brand new graphics processing unit created in collaboration with AMD that will significantly improve gaming and graphic performance, according to the company. While the chips perform a bit differently in benchmarks, real-world performance is unlikely to differ significantly. The next reason is the camera performance. For better light and data capture, the Galaxy S22 Ultra is equipped with a larger 2.4 pixel sensor as well as a super clear glass lens, which allows for clear nighttime video recording without flares. Along with a 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens, you get two 10 megapixel telephoto cameras that work together to provide a combined 10x optical zoom and 10x space zoom. With its camera system, Samsung is also putting more emphasis on computational photography than ever before. Improved AI high-res processing, as well as 4x faster multi-frame processing are all available. Adaptive pixel technology, which combines 9 pixels into one for better images in the dark, is also available. You'll be more impressed with how the camera performs in low light without using the S22 Ultra's night mode, even though the night mode has been improved on the camera. The 108 megapixel main camera on the new phone now uses a larger 2.4 sensor, which captures more light and data than its predecessor. In addition, Samsung has introduced a super clear glass lens which allows users to take photos at night with less glare and lens flare. Samsung is marketing the entire package under the catchphrase "Nightography." But don't be too hard on them for this. Instead, simply enjoy the end result, which should include more detailed and clearer images even in low light conditions, as this is true for both video and still photographs as well. There are also major improvements to the telephoto zoom lens and also good line and hair detection in portrait mode. The next reason why you should get the S22 Ultra is the improved dynamic refresh rate. If you're gaming or browsing the web, dynamic refresh rates can provide you with the best of both worlds by providing an immersive experience while also consuming less battery power when you don't require the increased refresh rate. The Galaxy S21 Ultra, which was released last year, had the ability to adjust the frequency between 10 Hz and 120 Hz, but the Galaxy S22 Ultra goes even further in this regard. Even though the new phone can maintain a refresh rate of 120 Hz when necessary, the refresh rate can drop as low as 1 Hz at other times. Hopefully this will translate into longer battery life for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra performed better than average compared to most phones in terms of battery life, and it will last more than an hour longer if you turn off the phone's adaptive refresh rate. The Galaxy S22 Ultra, thanks to its faster refresh rate, should be able to manage its power consumption a little better than the S21 Ultra. The last reason we're going to be looking at it today. Samsung will now support 4 years of Android updates. The lack of long-term software support for Android phones has always been one of their obvious disadvantages when comparing them to iPhones. While Samsung phones are only guaranteed to receive major OS updates for 3 years at the most, iPhones are guaranteed to receive major OS updates for 6 to 7 years. Now on the S22 Ultra, Samsung is offering a total of 4 years of Android updates. This also applies to other phones in the Galaxy S22 series. As a result, your Galaxy S22 device will be able to upgrade to Android 16, allowing you to keep your device for a longer period of time than you might have been able to in the past. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Tell us in the comments section what your favorite S22 Ultra feature is. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of the content we upload. We'll see you in the next one.